Welcome back, children. So today we will study about Newton's second law of motion. But before studying second law of motion directly, I want you all to know about momentum. Now, what is momentum? Momentum is mass into velocity. Momentum is denoted by small p, that is equal to m into v. Clear? So remember, now momentum is also a vector quantity. Momentum is denoted by small p and momentum is mass into velocity. Means whatever is the mass of the body multiplied with the velocity of the body gives you the measure of momentum. Now this momentum is extremely important. Sometimes you must have seen that whenever you are moving in a cycle, you are pedaling your cycle, even if you have stopped pedaling, still the cycle starts moving, means continues to move in the same direction. Why is it so? That is because of its momentum. Are you understanding? Means think of the situation. You have started pedaling your cycle. After going through a distance, you have stopped pedaling. But even after stopping to pedal, you find that the cycle still keeps on moving. This is due to momentum. Now, momentum is dependent both upon mass as well as velocity. So, if a body is having sufficient momentum and then it has to be stopped at a desired place, the velocity is decreased from a larger distance away from that desired point. Think of the train. You will find that before the train approaches a station, maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes before, the speed of the train starts decreasing, and then ultimately at the station the train stops. So the distance from where the brakes are to be applied must be known. Then only the train can be stopped at the desired place. If the speed is not decreased in sufficient quantity, then due to momentum, the train will cross the station and then it will stop. Same thing happens in case of road accident. You must have heard of road accidents caused due to failure of brake. Now, why this happens? Now, think of a situation: a loaded truck is moving at a certain speed, certain velocity. All of a sudden, some animal comes in its way. The driver, because the truck is moving at a certain speed and all of a sudden an animal comes in front, even if the driver applies the full brakes to stop the truck, he is unable to stop it before the animal. What happens? The truck skids and runs over the animal and kills the animal. Why the truck could not be stopped at the desired place the driver wanted? That is because of its momentum. It had so much momentum that it could not be stopped at the desired place. So even after applying the brakes in full, the driver was unable to control the speed of the truck and could not bring the truck to rest before the animal. So this is all about momentum. Now this momentum has everything to do in Newton's second law of motion. So you must remember, we will come across this term momentum, and I will be using this term P whenever we will be doing Newton's second law of motion. So in our next class, when I will be doing Newton's second law of motion, I want everybody must keep your physics copy open, because there is a derivation of a formula, and which I want that everybody should take it down properly. Clear, children? So remember this momentum, it's very, very important. We will be using this formula very often, even while solving numericals. So please do not forget. One more thing, SI unit of momentum is kg meter per second, or you can write kg meter per second this way, right? So SI unit of momentum is kg meter per second. It is a vector quantity, right? So in our next class, I will be doing one derivation. So keep your physics copies ready. Thank you.